so big now, big boy. Is that your wagon? I see you, Birdo. Here come the turkeys. Hey! Izzy's been hiding out in the garage since we got him because this wagon is in the garage and he loves it. So I took the wagon out, right? And I put your bucket there and you have all the things you like and when you're with the other birds. Here comes my pretty girl. She can't resist me. She can't resist me. She can't. Hi, baby. Oh, you're so bald. Here she comes. Here she goes. Hi, pretty. You're so close now. You're so close. You're so close. Want to sit on my lap? Oh my God. You're so beautiful. Okay, you keep moving and you're very close. There she is. There she is. You want to give me a hug? Okay. I can't get you anymore. You're too close. Here, we'll get you. Puff, puff. Ooh, did that hurt? Can I switch this around? I don't know if I can do that. I've never done that before. Let's try. Nope, I don't know what that does. That doesn't switch it around. Oh, it's windy. Hey, you. Hey, you over there. Here comes Rose. I want the fresh water. Oh, he's going to see his mommy. So nice. Come here, baby. Izzy, come here. Puff, puff.